Okay, good evening, everyone. All right, today is 19th of May 2024. It is around 9:15 p.m. in the evening. Okay, so let's do the analysis together. All right, so start from all the items that we will be having in the coming week on the news rather, right? So from what I can see, all right, we have a little bit lower, kind of like a lighter news on Monday, but start from Tuesday onward, is going to be going to get heavy. You can see we have a lot of heavy item by the other currency, such as like Canadian. We also have a New Zealand item, right? Monetary statement, all those stuff, right? So it's going to be very busy. And I think the major one is going to be this one. All right, major one is going to be this one, FOMC meeting minutes, right? I think this is what is everyone is looking forward. Okay, so as you know, we are in the one particular direction for the past 2 weeks, right? All the market have been going all-time high, all this kind of stuff. So in my opinion, all right, I mean that might be a possibility. You know, we may have before this FOMC, there will be a trend continuation, right? But after FOMC, there might be some changes coming in. So like for example, like Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, market will be just, go along with the flow. But Thursday can be a Wednesday night. Thursday can be a bit of, I think there might be a major or minor reversal might be in the making. So anyway, please be aware of this. Okay, we have a meeting minutes. It will have some indication on the rate card or no card, whatever. This kind of stuff. All right. Apart from that, we also have any other items coming up, right, in the later part of the week, Thursday, and Friday is a little bit lighter. So put it this way, to summarize, next week we have Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. This is going to be a very, very, very heavy item, especially on this guy. Okay, please be aware of that. And let's talk about the flow, right? This is the flow that we normally take a look, right? So as per the flow, it is stay ongoing on the downward direction. I think it is expected, all right. And I as we know, the Federal Reserve will be sort of like reducing the quantitative tightening by end of this. I mean, sorry, from end of this month, right? So it's not yet, yeah. Only we are on the earlier part of week number 3. So I think after week number 3 and 4, I think the market will start to take shape. So I'm expecting then this this graph will start to I mean like kind of like they will stay going down, but it will start to go down in a slower manner in the coming week onward, in my opinion. This is kind of like a very bullish indication on the market. I think that's the reason why market is right now is already priced. It is already pricing in right now. That's why the stock market is going all-time high, this kind of stuff. Right. If you watch my video about 3 weeks ago, when the Federal Reserve started to talk about this, I say that can have a positive impact on the market, right? If you can go back and watch it. And it is after 2 weeks later, it is indeed, we start to show the positive impact on the market. Okay, just keep that in mind. Now, one thing, but keep that in mind. The actual effects haven't even taken place yet, but the market is already starting to move ahead already. So, that's why the markets always move earlier than everything else. Okay, so this is the data. All right, so now let's take a look on the individual items, right? Okay, start with the British pound US dollars. Okay, as you already know, the left side is our CFD, the right side is our future market, right? You know why you do that way also. Okay, so from the British pound, what we are seeing right now, currently they are really trying very hard to break this congested level. So we are already coming near to the upper layer of the congested level. So I think it can drive a little bit higher, at least minimum in my opinion. So I'm not really expecting so very downward move yet. I think market will likely to go to retest this kind of stuff in my opinion. All right, they can go to here. So market can either go like this, or like I projected, market can go either go like this. So either way, market stay quite bullish in overall. So I will not really advisable to short right now. I think market can go to, for example, like 1.272, this kind of region. All right, so it's kind of like bullish. So resistance 1.272, 1.278, 1.280, and 1.288. Support 1.262, 1.253, and 1.25. Okay, so this is on the British pound. Okay, let's continue with the euro. Okay, euro also quite slightly bullish on overall, right? I'm expecting market to climb actually even a little bit more higher. All right, so it is still too early to call about anything bearish at this moment. So I think it is rather it's better to go with the flow. The only reason that I'm slightly bullish is I mean not really super bullish because of is that the so-called the retail trader or small trader numbers are a little bit too high. So you know how does it work, right? As the market go up higher, instead of the small trader buying, right, what they do, they keep on adding their short position. They keep on adding their short position until they almost burst their account, right? For example, like for this case, they're already minus 83 already. So they are so much so-called collected on the short side. So this kind of thing is like a rubber band you are being pulled out, stretched out too thin already. So a little bit of market push will really burst these people, and they're gonna close it for a loss, and this is where the market will turn back down. So my point here is that we may have some potentially, of course, potentially we may have some the top might be coming in also. So British pound and euro is roughly the same. I will be slightly bullish only. Okay. Okay. Then let's move on to Aussie. Okay. Later there will be a few items that I will be of course recommending lah. Okay. Aussie also quite similar. Okay, if you follow my our trade call for the past few weeks, right? We have a one position on the New Zealand. We have already taken profit with very very decent profit already. So I think gonna be quite similar. All right, this guy is also very similar like British pound and stuff like that. You see the retail traders are very much on the minus 85. So well, there were time they go to minus 90 lah. Don't get me wrong. It was here, they go to minus 90, they pull back a little bit. So they might go back up higher a little bit further, possibly as well. So my point here is that what I would suggest is that don't short for sure yet. I think we will wait and buy will be the better choice. So for the time being, for the next foreseeable, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, I think we will wait and buy will be better choice in my opinion. Okay, unless there's a very compelling the evidence show up, then I will inform you guys. All right, so slightly bullish stay. Okay, New Zealand, another one is New Zealand. New Zealand is very good, right? We already hit our profit already. So New Zealand and moreover, you can see New Zealand is already coming to this region. So they may see some congested kind of condition. But anyway, we are still overall bullish. So I will stay slightly bullish, and I will wait and buy will be my tactic at the moment. Okay, since it is already fulfilled, I'm going to take it out. All right. So I think the next step is going to be like, they can pull back to this kind of level. And after that, they will go back to retest this kind of zone. So it's overall stay bullish, gentlemen. All right. So wait and buy will be the better choice in my opinion. All right. Okay, I don't know how come this color funny here. Okay. Okay. At least we will settle this first. Okay. So this will be the indication that I'm looking at. All right. So let's move on to gold. Gold may have a bit more room to go up further, in my opinion. Look at the retail traders, minus 62 only. They can go a lot higher first. Okay, when we become like minus 80, minus 90, and then we will be like, hey guys, careful, we will be give you guys a caution kind of stuff. You got what I mean, guys? So gold, I think it can have a bit more room to go up to in my analysis, lah, right? So do not short unnecessarily. Okay, even there's a bearish candle show up, let it show up. If they want to flush people, let it flush out. It is even a better thing because you can buy in later at a cheaper price. Correct. So where is a good level? Of course, this kind of level are the good level, right? Okay, let me read it out for you. Supports resistance first. Resistance 2438, 2450, and 2475. Support 2400, 2364, and 2325 and 2315. Okay, so gold, I don't think I don't think Monday will be a downtrend, or I don't think the top is in yet. Maybe 1 more week or 2 more weeks to go still. Okay, all right. All right, silver is really, really going crazy at the moment. So I think, we have to be bullish stage. Go with the flow. Resistance 31.5, 32, 32.5. Support 29.7, 28.25, and 27.2. All right, so let's move on. US dollar, Canadian. All right. So gold and silver, you know what to do already, especially gold. I don't think the top is really on the dot yet. Market can a little bit go up further for gold and silver, especially gold. Okay, a US dollar Canadian, I'm looking for a short actually. All right, I'm looking for a short. Hopefully, market will come back to here, guys. If the market really come back to here, give me a shout out. Okay, I will also watch it closely now. I would like you to short it down. Okay, so I'm looking for a short resistance 1.368, 1.375, 1.383, and 1.39. Support 1.357, 1.35, and 1.341. I'm expecting market to go back up and before they go down a lot lower. Okay. Another one is US dollar CHF. Okay, US dollar CHF also something similar. All right. I'm expecting market to go back down. All right. So I'm expecting US dollar CHF to go lower, expecting market to come back here potentially. Then from there, I will look for a short. Currently, they are in the bullish candle. So okay, what do? We wait, right? So this is what it is. And another one is US dollar JPY. US dollar JPY is also very similar. So US dollar CHF and US dollar JPY are the same. I'm expecting market to go back down eventually. So currently they are not favoring in terms of price action. So I will wait for the bearish price action to show up. Resistance 156.5, 158, and 159. Support 154.6, 154.6, 153.6, and 152. Okay, Dow Jones. All right, Dow Jones. Let's talk about Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones, I'm expecting maybe by next week or so, I think market may be topping out soon. Okay, I repeat, maybe by next week, which is the third week, or by fourth week, market may be topping out soon. Okay, of course, we cannot see this in the, we cannot see this in the price session. Price session is, of course, very bullish. Okay, one of the reasons I say the topping out will be coming in soon is just because of this flow. You see, the previously you see the market was high, the flow was getting higher, of course the price is going higher, right? And look at it here, you see the flows is really getting lower, so but the price is really going up higher. So we can see that there's some kind of divergence going on right now. So to me, I'm not really so bullish on stock market at this moment. I'll be very cautious. I think sooner or later they will follow the flow and market will pull back down, in my opinion. Are we seeing the price action clue or price action evidence or not? Of course not, right? So what we are going to do is I'm going to wait until the signs show up. So no hurry to short at all. The only is a time that be cautious with the long side, in my opinion. You are in a very profit also, maybe take some profit, this kind of stuff. Okay, should you sell big? No. Okay, but might be coming up soon. Okay, unless whatever my assumption will be no longer valid, unless this flow really break up higher also. If this higher, of course, I will say, oh, market is going to go up higher already. Okay, if not, please be careful. All right, this flow failed to do the higher high. All right, the previous high is here. The flow failed to do the higher high, yet the price of the stock market go up higher. So I'll be very careful. Okay, so there's some warning, guys. Obvious or not, I mean, sure or not, not yet. There is some sign is showing up. Okay, so this is what is happening. All right, so this on the Dow Jones. All right, Hong Kong. Ayo, Hong Kong, Hong Kong. What do you want me to say? Ayo, I think I should go to the highest floor of Singapore and jump down. Right? Why? Why should I? Why I say that? Because we managed to really combat this one. We caught it this, but we missed this, right? So that's a lesson learned. When market is really doing well, don't panic to take profit. Okay. So market will teach you a lesson or two every day, every week. Okay. So anyway, Hong Kong, congratulations to you. If for those that following our analysis for the past few months and managed to really get it right. So Hong Kong is overall stays slightly bullish. I think market will likely go up higher. All right. For example, like 20K possible. All right. 20K possible. Let's see how it's go. All right. Hong Kong, to me, it is, wait and buy this kind of condition at this moment. So, just like that. Resistance 20K, 20.3, 21, 20.5. Support 18.9, 18.2, and 17.5. Okay. Another one is DEX. DEX is pretty much follow the US market, so slightly bullish, but I'll be wanting you to be very cautious. All right, 18.8 resistance, support 18.6, 18.5, and 18.3. All right, so let's move on, gentlemen. Let's move on. The better part will be coming later. All right, so far I have no recommendation. Do you notice or not? I have zero recommendation at the moment. Okay, it's coming up. All right, so crude oil, okay. The market is like currently they are meeting very strong support, congested support level. That's why they are kind of like climbing. All right, I think I will agree. So I think market will likely to drift to the higher side, in my opinion. If you follow our market composition that I just posted up in our group, it also recommend on the buy side. So I'm slightly bullish or bullish. Don't sell. Resistance 81.4, 83, and 86. Support 78, 76, and 75. Okay, here come the main course. All right, hang on, not this one. All right, for this case, for the wheat, right, I think in my opinion, market will really like to go back up higher again. All right, you got my point now, guys. So I mean, let it come. I mean, come back to here. Of course, we will be gladly to wait for it. Then we will try to push back up again. So this will be my first recommended pair for next week. Okay. Currently, Monday, should you long or not? Maybe not on Monday, all right? Maybe not even on Tuesday, because we will wait for the price action, right? I think price action will start to show up somewhere around here, in my opinion, like for example, like 640, this kind of stuff, all right? So we wait, okay? So this will be my first recommended pair. So resistance, 677, 700, 710. Support, 615, 60, 600, and 592. All right. So another guy is soybean. All right. So soybean also very similar like wheat. I think the market will have very good bullish case scenario coming up, in my opinion. This is going to be something like this. Okay, so this is gonna be something like this. All right, so this is something that I will be watching upon. All right, this is something like I'm expecting. So another one is corn. This three, right? Wheat, soy, corn, this will be my recommended pair for the coming week. Okay, I'm expecting market to go a lot higher on them. All right, so I think for the next maybe for next month or so, the market start to climb a lot, and I think like the market won't be moved within 1 week. You got what I mean? It's like a 3 weeks, 1 month, this kind of condition. We can have a multiple position, we can have a multiple profit out of it. Of course, go with the proper risk management. I mean, you go in, market do in your favor, then you add position. Don't aggressively add. Okay. So this is one thing. And BTC, all right, hang on. Okay, BTC, I have mentioned on the last Thursday, right? Market is kind of bullish, right? Then since then, market really going up. So I think BTC are likely to climb a little bit higher first, in my opinion. So currently they're at this level, so that's why they're kind of like being stopped slow, kind of like being pushed back a little bit. But I think eventually we'll go back up higher, in my opinion. I think it will retest to 60K and 70K. Okay, BTC is not strongly bullish, but stays slightly bullish. Okay, resistance 68K and 70K, support 63.7 and 61.5. Okay, another one is the another superstar. Today, so many superstar, guys. All right, it's another superstar. All right. So Nasdaq is still, I think, the highly possible to go up higher. All right. Either you buy on wait and buy, up to you. All right. But I think the market will likely to stay go up higher. Okay. So to me, it's eventually will go back to here, in my opinion. All right. Nasdaq is also very bullish. So resistance 2.58, 2.8, support 2.4, 2.2, and 1.96. So just let me have a quick recap. Next week we have of course FOMC meeting minutes. All right. I think market is growing pretty much well because of the upcoming tightening on the loosening on the quantitative tightening. So that's the reason why they are doing that. Gold and silver is overall stay quite bullish. Not much of the silver, but especially on gold. And but I mean there are others that are better than them as well. I will be recommending on the buy side of course wheat, soybean, corn, and a bit of the nest gas. Okay, so if I take any position, of course, you are in my inner circle, you will know where and when. Okay, so well, let's find out next week. It's gonna be fun. All right.